Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the world of beauty with the best Halloween acrylic nails available in the market. Get ready to enhance your manicure game with the Mowyem 24 PCS press-on nails and Blue Sea. The Mowyem press-on nails are the perfect accessory to make your fingers stand out from the crowd. Made of high-quality ABS material, these fake nails are soft, flexible, and reusable, ensuring a perfect fit for your nails. With 24 capsules of jelly glue and 24 different sizes of fake nails included in the set, you can customize your manicure to perfection. The nail file provided helps in shaping and perfecting the nails for a flawless finish. Prepare your nails by shaping and cleaning them. Choose the right size of jelly glue and fake nails. Apply the jelly glue to your nails and press on the fake nails for 30 seconds. Polish the edges with the nail file to achieve a professional finish. The Mowyem press-on nails allow you to change your nail color, pattern, and design daily to match your mood and preferences. Perfect for nail salons, DIY home nail art, weddings, proms, and festivals like Halloween and Christmas. These nails are a versatile accessory that will impress on any occasion. In conclusion, the Mowyem 24 PCS press-on nails and Blue Sea are the ultimate choice for the best Halloween acrylic nails. Add a touch of glamour and beauty to your nails with these stylish and practical press-on nails. Elevate your nail game and make a statement with Mowyem. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews on Product Critique.